What is up, you guys? It has been a hot minute. This is your girl, the Mad Queen 88, and I am coming at you with a vlog telling you guys what the hell I've been up to for these past like 3 months that I haven't recorded or dropped any content. This is what's been happening. Okay, I have been compiling parts for my very first PC build. I wanted to take a break and really just get stuff together so that I can create better content for you guys. I'm kind of crouching down because I want you guys to see all this beautiful stuff. I feel like the Crocodile Hunter, like, yeah, mate, look at these beauties here. I just give a rundown of what I have. I'm not a computer genius. Most of what I know about how to build a PC I got from YouTube and Google, so this is probably not the best place to go if you're trying to learn yourself how to build a PC. I was pretty much all over the internet. I Googled a lot of stuff, watched a lot of great YouTube videos, and read a lot of like tech blogs and stuff to figure out some of the stuff that I got for this build. So anyway, I'll just point some stuff out here. This is my motherboard. It's an Asus H170 Pro. I've read a lot of good things about it. I read that it's very, it has a lot of upgradability. It has like 4 slots for RAM. I'm only going to be using 2 because I have 2 4-gig discs of RAM. So I'll have 2 more left, and this motherboard can hold up to 64 gigs of RAM. So down the line, I can always drop 4 8-gig chips in to give me 64. And you know, I can do 16. Let's not math right now, okay? I have a lot of stuff. Scratch that, okay? So anyway, it can hold up to 64 gigs of RAM, and I can upgrade to that down the line when I need it. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with the 8 gigs. Here, with this like pretty ass snow leopard with ice blue eyes, is my GeForce GTX 1050 Ti 4-gig GPU, graphics card, whatever you want to call it. I just figured out what GPU meant once I started looking up a bunch of stuff. So graphics card, we'll call it that. It wasn't very expensive. What I read is good for the price. Like, I wasn't looking for something super crazy. Like there was like one I was looking at, it was like $299. I think it was like a Raiden or something, whatever. It was super expensive and I wasn't gonna get that one, but then I was like, you know what, this is my first build, let me just keep it under a good budget and just get stuff that's quality but a good price. So that's why I went with this one. After that, I got my Intel processor. Oh, because this motherboard is an Intel chipset, so you can't use ADM, which I haven't heard that ADM is bad, but I heard you do get what you pay for, and Intel is a little bit more expensive, and you kind of get the best quality when you pay for these chips. So that's why I got the i5 core Intel processor. It's a quad core, and yeah, I mean, it's a huge jump. I think what I have on this laptop that I'm recording on is like a Celestron Intel or something, like the lowest of the low. Bye bye, I'm so glad to get rid of you because now I have this bad boy. Some of the other standard stuff. This is a 2TB hard drive. I really wanted to get an SSD, but I didn't because, like I said, I'm trying to keep this under a budget. Down the line, I can probably go back and get an SSD to put my Windows 10 operating system on. And the reason why a lot of people who build PCs do this is because it brings up the booting speed. Like when you have to restart your computer or when you have to update, makes it super fast when you have your operating system installed on the SSD. But I opted to just do things the regular way and put it on the hard drive so I can save like an extra $100. So down the line I can grab that and see what happens. And oh, my power supply, I just got 600 watts. From what I've read, I can do with 450, but I opted to get the a few watts higher, just for upgradabilities. This power supply can withstand anything that I upgrade to, so that's why I got that. And then I have this cute little case. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. I think it's kind of cool, and yeah, I saw it online and I just bought it. So We'll see. Hopefully this motherboard fits. It said ATX on it. I don't know if that means standard ATX or micro ATX, but we'll see what happens once I try to put this bitch together. I'm gonna record this process of me putting this stuff together. Please don't laugh. I'm armed with specific tools to do the job, which is this Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm gonna make it happen, y'all. I'm just gonna fast forward through all this, but keep watching. It's going. It's on, you guys. It's on. There's no like light system. Oh, there's a little green light. There's a little green light. There's lights. There's lights happening. There's lights happening here. Alright, y'all. This is like 5 days after I put my PC together, and I am currently using this bad boy. I got my mic set up. I got my monitors. Everything is in working order, and I haven't had any issues. Since I put the PC together, I did decide to get one more 8 gig chip of RAM, and I installed that last night, just because I saw that I was on the cusp of like hitting like in the 70s for my memory while I was streaming and having other stuff open. So other than that, everything is good. I've been using this PC and it's working great for what I need it for. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful to anybody who's thinking about building a PC. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Let me know if you plan on building a PC in the future. Let me know what kind of specs you're looking at. And give this video a like. If this video gets up to 10 likes, I'll go ahead and do a spec breakdown and cost breakdown on how much I spent on building this PC. Alright? Deuces.